We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Wrangler Authentics men's long-sleeve quilted lined flannel shirt jacket with hood. This jacket has earned a strong reputation among users for its quality, comfort, and style. With over 50,000 ratings and an average score of 4.6 out of 5, it is clear that this product resonates well with many buyers. If you own this jacket, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Starting with the overall design, the jacket strikes a balance between casual style and functional warmth. It features a quilted lining that provides insulation without excessive bulk, making it suitable for layering over sweaters or lighter clothing. The relaxed fit is a key aspect highlighted by many users, especially those with broader shoulders or longer arms. Unlike slim or athletic fits, this jacket allows comfortable movement and room for additional layers underneath. This makes it a versatile choice for colder seasons, from fall through winter. The fabric quality is frequently praised. The exterior is made of cotton flannel, which is soft yet durable. Stitching is consistently noted as precise and strong, contributing to the jacket's longevity. Many users report that after multiple washes, the jacket retains its shape, color, and texture without pilling or fading. This resilience is important for those who want a dependable garment that withstands regular use and washing. One of the standout features is the hood. It adds an extra layer of protection against wind and light rain, enhancing the jacket's usability outdoors. While some users mention that the hood is not heavily insulated and may not fully protect the head in very cold conditions, it still provides decent coverage and complements the jacket's overall warmth. For those seeking additional head warmth, pairing the jacket with a knit cap is recommended. Pockets are another highlight. The jacket offers multiple pockets, including chest-flap pockets with snap closures and larger hand pockets. Users appreciate the depth and security of these pockets, noting they can hold essentials comfortably. Some reviews humorously mention the pockets are large enough to fit a head, emphasizing their generous size. However, a few users suggest that the addition of an interior pocket or zipper closures instead of buttons would improve functionality and security. In terms of warmth, this jacket performs well for a lightweight option. The quilted lining provides insulation that keeps the wearer warm and cool to moderately cold weather. It is not designed as a heavy winter coat, but serves as an excellent mid-layer or outer layer in milder winter climates. Many users have worn it throughout winter months and found it sufficient for daily activities outdoors. The jacket's button closure system is straightforward and reliable, though some users feel that buttons feel slightly less premium compared to zippers. The buttons are well sewn and durable, maintaining their integrity through repeated use. The cuffs also feature snap closures, allowing for some adjustment and helping to keep cold air out. Sizing is an important consideration. Reviews consistently note that the jacket runs a bit large, which aligns with its relaxed fit design. Buyers with average or slim builds may want to consider sizing down for a closer fit, while those who prefer layering or have larger frames will find the sizing accommodating. The jacket fits well for tall individuals and those with long arms, which is a common challenge in men's outerwear. Stylistically, the jacket has a classic flannel look with a modern twist thanks to the quilted lining and hood. It pairs well with casual wear such as jeans and boots, making it a versatile piece for everyday use. The color options are generally well received, with the blue and black plaid being especially popular. This makes it suitable for both outdoor activities and casual social settings. Price-wise, the jacket is considered a great value. Many users mention that it is affordable given the quality and features it offers. It is often compared favorably against other brands in the same category, with Wrangler's reputation for durable workwear adding confidence to the purchase. Some customers have found it on sale or flash deals, which makes it even more attractive for budget-conscious buyers. On the downside, a few users have pointed out minor issues. The packaging sometimes arrives in simple plastic bags rather than boxes, which can be disappointing for gift purchases. The hood's insulation could be improved for harsher weather conditions. Also, while the jacket is machine washable, it is recommended to follow care instructions carefully to maintain its appearance and performance. Overall, the Wrangler Authentics men's long-sleeve quilted-lined flannel shirt jacket with hood is a well-made, comfortable, and stylish jacket that meets the needs of many men looking for a reliable layering piece. Its relaxed fit, quality materials, and practical features like deep pockets and a hood make it a smart choice for cooler weather. Whether you are heading out for casual wear, light outdoor work, or weekend adventures, this jacket offers warmth and durability without sacrificing style. If you have experience with this jacket, please share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback helps others decide if this is the right jacket for them. Remember, the link to the product is in the description and using it supports the channel. Thank you for listening to this detailed review based on extensive user feedback from across the internet.